How to change business account to personal on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can change business account to personal on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change business account to personal, what you need to do is just open up Instagram. Now keep in mind, when you switch from a business account to personal, you're going to lose access to your follower insights, your creator tools, your sponsored ad videos and everything else. So just keeping that in mind, if you still want to switch to your personal account, if it's a legit business, then I really want to recommend you to switch to a personal account. But if you have an individual account, then you can switch to personal account and you won't face any type of issues as well. So just come to your profile page, tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, then go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find the option called account. Once you come to account, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the switch account type button over here, and then you'll find the option called switch to personal account. So just tap on the switch to personal account, and when you tap on it, you should be able to go ahead and successfully switch to a personal account. It'll ask you for a confirmation switching to a personal account, which is going to make you lose access to all of your insights. So keeping that in mind, you can just tap on the red button. Now I'm not going to do that because of course my business page is actually a working one, so I'm not going to do that, but you can do that if you really want to. And this is how you can simply change from a business account to a personal account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.